How to use Chrome extensions on Android 2024. Want to use Chrome extensions on your Android phone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to install and use Chrome extensions on Android. Did you know? The official Chrome app for Android doesn't support extensions. But don't worry. You can use other browsers like Kiwi Browser or Yandex Browser to access Chrome extensions on your phone. First, open the Play Store, search for Kiwi Browser, and install it. Kiwi Browser is built on Chromium, so it supports Chrome extensions just like the desktop version. Once installed, open Kiwi Browser. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Extensions. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store by typing google.com/webstore in the address bar. Search for the extension you want, like Grammarly or Adblock+. Once you find your extension, tap Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. To manage your installed extensions, tap the three dots, then select Extensions. From here, you can enable, disable, or remove any extension. You can also use Yandex Browser for Chrome extensions. Just download it from the Play Store and visit the Chrome Web Store to install your favorite extensions. Quick tips for smooth use. Use lightweight extensions to avoid slowdowns. Keep your browser updated. Only install trusted extensions from the Chrome Web Store. That's it. Now you know how to use Chrome extensions on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.